Cory, is there a connection with the eye contact and the presence you're talking about? There was one time me and you went out. We went out with the guys, one of the couple of workshops, and I think we were walking out, leaving the club or bar where we were at. 3 girls walked in, and you made eye contact with one. And there was just, for that split second, there was something happened there between the two of you, and you look back and you see that. And I'm like, yeah, sure. No, I'm a beginner. But there was something there that was, I didn't see. But you're always present, right? No matter what, always present, having a good time and enjoying yourself. But there's that moment of connection where there's an understanding between the two of you.
Right.
And I guess that's what I'm trying to find.
Yes. This process that I work with all my clients with is developing a well-rounded, attractive way of being. If I took a piece of glass, a pure crystal clear piece of glass, and put it right here, right in front of you and I, right now, we could see and connect with our eyes, right? If I'm thinking about what I have to do with work tomorrow, imagine taking and putting like a thin layer of film over that glass. We can still see each other, but now it's there's a little film over it. Well, then, I've got this fucking bullshit going on with my work, that happened yesterday. And that's kind of in the back of my mind. It's sticking with me. Now add another layer of film over that glass. And then you add this belief that you have to approach a girl to be able to talk to her. Add another film over this piece of glass. If I had a belief that I'm just not really attractive, I would add another film over that piece of glass. If I had a belief that women don't really like having sex, add another film over that glass. So pretty much every single one of your beliefs around dating and what's possible, everything that you've been told, all of your conditioning is all putting a film on over this glass. Well, you put about 5,000 pieces of film on a piece of glass. Do you think you and I would be able to, our eyes would connect? No.
So being in that present moment of being fun, playful.
Being in the present moment not only takes the film off of the glass, it removes the fucking glass. Now we are connected. See, because the thing is it's not just you. It's her too. So if she's got all this garbage going on, then she's going to have film that's put up on this glass on her side. You remove all the film, you throw the fucking glass away, and you got 2 people experiencing the present moment.
Okay, and that makes sense because I remember you telling another story where you met this girl, maybe a little bit older. You guys made eye contact, and when she looked into your eyes, she said, "Oh, you're in trouble."
Right.
There was that connection, and she read who your playfulness and everything else. There was that present moment. Okay.
And if you're truly present, you're not judging the moment. You're not sizing people up and down. You're not saying this girl's attractive, that girl's not attractive. You're just truly present. You're walking into the forest without judgment. You're not judging the trees, and guess what? The trees aren't judging you. Now the woman that you're going to connect with like that is in that place that's on your same energetic level. And when your energetic frequencies, kind of like a radio. You put it on 97.8 and it's crystal clear. You put it at 97.9 and you got static based on the level of purity and conditioning, past old shit conditioning you have. If your frequencies connect, that's your girl. It is not your job to change someone else's conditioning. That's the beautiful part about this, because if the attraction's not a choice, it is or it is not.